What do you do if someone owes you money on a contract and they won't pay you? Well, there's a number of things you can do yourself. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have a written contract. Do you have a written contract signed by the person against you that you're pursuing saying, I'm going to pay them $1,000? Or did you do work for them and you have an invoice where you sent them an account and they were supposed to pay you and they didn't? Did you sell them something? Did you have a bill of sale or a bill of lading and they didn't pay you? So first, make sure you have a written contract. If you don't get a written contract, then make sure you do your business with written contracts. Secondly, you want to make a claim before you hire a lawyer like me and you waste your money, potentially waste your money, right? You want to see if you can settle it yourself. So call them, email them, put it in writing, make a demand. In your contract, say that if you have to sue them, you get your attorney's fees and expenses. And that's leverage you have against the other person. You can say, pay me, write them a letter, write them an email, pay me 30 days, pay me 30 days, pay me 30 days later. And then you can say, listen, if you don't pay me, I'm going to have to hire a lawyer and you're going to have to pay for all that too. It'd be amazing what that can do. And you could also file your own claim. You can go to small claims court under $5,000 in any local, and in your county, there is a small claims court. It's usually a $25 filing fee. You file a petition, you fill out the form, they'll get service, they'll bring them into court, and you can get a judgment against them, and then you can try to collect against them. If it's more than that, you can go to associate circuit court. Now, when you start getting more than that, a lawyer like me can add value to the case. I'm Gary Berger. I'm with Berger Law. And a breach of contract is a duty, a breach, and consequential damage from that. You can get the damages as a result of that. Sometimes you can get interest. Sometimes you can get attorney's fees and costs if it's in your contract. If it isn't in your contract, you're not going to get those. So you might want to put that in your agreement, as I already mentioned. So if it's a bigger case, come and talk to me. We'll consult with you and whether or not a lawyer like me can add value to the case. We have a wide variety of complex and big civil matters, commercial disputes where we sue on behalf of individuals and companies for debts are owed, and we have a good track record of success on those cases, and we know how to litigate and persuade the other side of the wisdom of our position and why they should pay the contract or the debt that is owed to you. Sometimes these are notes when you loan people money. Sometimes they're statements of accounts where you're doing an account with someone. So the legal document, the contract on which your claim is based can vary. And there's a variety of ways to make these claims. There's fraud claims, there's other things too. We don't try to make it more complicated than it is because the simpler case wins. But if you have any questions about a breach of contract case or a commercial dispute or how to collect a debt owed to you by someone else, call us at 314-542-2222 in Illinois at 618-272-2222 or toll free at 866-599-2222 or visit us at burgerlaw.com. Thank you.